3 psychological tricks that instantly make you more attractive, without looks or money. Ever wonder why some people instantly stand out, not because of looks or money, but something you just feel about them? It's not luck. It's psychology. And once you understand it, you can use it every single day. 1. The mirror effect. People like people who make them feel seen. So next time you're in a conversation, subtly mirror their tone, pace, or small gestures. It signals, "We're the same." Your brain instantly builds trust, and that's where attraction starts. 2. The calm confidence rule. Speak slower. Hold your pauses. Calm energy is rare. It shows self-control, power, and security. When everyone else is rushing to be heard, the person who speaks with intention owns the room. 3. The self-validation principle. Stop chasing approval. The moment you don't need others to like you, people start liking you more. Why? Because confidence without arrogance feels magnetic. You radiate peace, not pressure. You don't need to change how you look, just how you show up. Try these 3 today, and watch how people respond differently. Follow me for daily mindset and psychology tips, so you can attract, not chase.